Hi everyone, welcome to one of the last video recordings you'll ever have to see from me. Thank you for coming this far. You guys are almost done and it's kind of exciting to see you at the point of graduation. Hopefully I will see some of you at graduation. I usually try to get to that, and there will also be I think you've got at least one announcement about our graduation party, which is the Thursday of the week of graduation. So I'll be at that as well. It'd be great to see some of you and meet you face to face if I haven't done that already. As you know, we're in the middle of Module 7, Part 1, and I've asked you to kind of reflect on the program outcomes, how well you felt that we prepared you in those, how well you feel like you can use those kinds of skills as you go out into the larger world after Boise State in your career or even in your personal life. So take a few minutes and think about that. As you know, by the end of this module, I'm asking you to submit your ePortfolio. You can do that by submitting the ePortfolio link or URL in Blackboard, and then there is an assignment in Digication where I'm asking you to submit the specific sections of your MDS outcomes. I've kept two of those back, Outcome 1 and Outcome 4, because those are your problem solving and speaking outcomes, and we will actually use our capstone assignment and our final capstone presentation as artifacts for those two outcomes. So I haven't allowed you to upload those in Digication yet, but I will open those once those assignments are due. So you'll have about a week to 10 days to kind of finish up uploading these assignments into Digication once your final assignments are done. So for now, just kind of get those sections ready with the justifications for those artifacts, and then once you have those done, put those in your ePortfolio, and then I will, as I said, open those assignments in Digication. So apart from uploading your URL to Blackboard, you do also need to upload each section of your ePortfolio, each of those 6 MDS outcome sections that you've created in Digication. And there's a video in our course that shows you how to do that. If you have any questions, let me know. I see a lot of you have already submitted those, so thanks for doing that. As I said, that's the way that our program, MDS program, will use to verify that we are actually helping you learn these outcomes and that we're doing our part in making you successful in those ways. So thank you for taking time to do that. It is part of the assignment that I'm asking you to do for this module, and then, as I said, near the end of the class for the last 2 sections. Coming up in Module 7, Part 2, which opens tomorrow, we're going to be looking at our capstone assignments, kind of a rough draft peer review. So if you're doing a project or a paper, we'll once again split into those 2 groups in our courses, and just ask you to upload whatever you have for your final capstone assignment so that other students can kind of help you look at it, give you a critical eye and a good review on what you might want to change before it's finally due or what looks good so far. So that's one of the biggest assignments we're going to be doing in the next module. Of course, in the meantime, you have time to work on those, to finish up your service learning hours, to get all those last minute things that are due in the course done. As well, in the next module, there will be a link for you to upload verification that you've filled out the course evaluations. There will be 2 of them. One of them will come from the MDS department, and for that one, there's not really anything you need to do other than to fill out the evaluation. The MDS staff will send me a list of names of those who've completed that once the evaluation period's closed, and I'll give you the points for that. But you can earn extra credit points if you do the Boise State evaluation that comes from Boise State. So there's 2 course evals. The one for extra credit is the one from Boise State, and I've listed some directions of how to just take a screenshot, or another way, sometimes they send a confirmation email that you've completed the evaluation, some type of proof, and you'll upload that to an assignment in Module 7, Part 2, and when you do that, I'll give you extra credit for having completed that. Speaking of extra credit, thanks to those who have filled out the service learning posters, I have submitted all those to the service learning department, and they're in the process of choosing which ones will be presented at the service learning exhibition. So hopefully in next week or so, you'll be hearing whether your poster was chosen for that or not. Whether it was chosen or not, you did receive full extra credit points for just getting that done. That part of extra credit is now closed, so you can't submit any more posters for extra credit. And hopefully the ones that we've submitted to the service learning a lot of them will get chosen to be in the exhibition. I will be attending that as well, so I hope to see some of you there. Thanks for all your hard work in that and all the other things you're doing this semester. As I said, if you have any questions about any of that, or questions about how the course is going to wrap up, or your grade in the course, or anything like that, please contact me. I'm always available to meet you in person during my office hours, or to have a phone call with you, or Google Chat. So look forward to hearing from you, and if I don't hear from you, I'll definitely see you online. Thanks.